Hello everyone, I'm Angela, the Marketing Director of Guangzhou Washing Packaging Materials. Marketing Director Angela. Next, let me show you our gift paper bag. Its load-bearing capacity. We usually use 250 grams of single-tube paper. Some customers may worry that whether the load-bearing capacity of 250 grams, they require paper with 300 or 350 grams. But in our experience, we don't recommend using thicker paper. Why? First, because the paper bag will have some folds. It needs to be spread out like this for shipment, so it will have folds. If the paper is too thick, the edges and corners are prone to bursting. It will burst and show white, so we don't recommend it. If you're worried about the weight capacity, we can test it for you. Just a regular paper bag, how much weight it can hold. Here is a full box of water and 24 bottles. And then we randomly select. Each bottle is full of water. They are unopened. So the weight capacity is completely fine. Generally, our paper bags can hold 5 to 10 kilograms. Or 10 kilograms, it's all no problem. Its bottom is still very strong.